In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Apple Intelligence on iPhone 13, 14, 15, or 16. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the availability of Apple Intelligence on these devices and how you can turn it off. Something that I need to make very clear is that Apple Intelligence is not available on the iPhone 13 and 14. So if you have these devices, you cannot turn it off simply because it's not available. So essentially it is off by default. If you have the iPhone 15, you will only have access to Apple Intelligence if you have the Pro and Pro Max versions. So it is not available for the standard Apple 15. For the iPhone 16, it is going to be available for all of the versions. So the standard 16, the Pro version, and then the Pro Max. So like I said, for the 15, if you have the standard one or the iPhone 14 or iPhone 13, it is going to be off by default. But if you have one of these two, you can turn it off. So first, you need to be on iOS 18. You can check your current version by heading over to the settings, choosing the general category, and then software update. Inside of software update, you can update to iOS 18 that has Apple Intelligence available. If you are already on iOS 18, then all that you have to do is go over to these settings once again, and under General and Accessibility, there will be a new option here. This new option is going to be Apple Intelligence and Siri. When you access this category, all that you have to do is disable it. So turn this option off. And by doing this, Apple Intelligence will no longer be used on your iPhone. So you only have to manually turn it off if you update it to iOS 18 and you are using an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max or any of the iPhone 16 models. For any other older iPhone, it is going to be off by default. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Apple Intelligence on iPhone 13, 14, 15, and 16. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.